Take a deep breath. Relax your shoulders. For the next few minutes, you don't need to check your notifications. You don't need to reply to that email. You don't need to worry about the future of AI. You just need to be here. Welcome to Digital Zen. This isn't about rejecting technology. It's about making peace with it. It's about building a sanctuary inside your own mind that the noise cannot touch. If you are ready to start that journey, let's take the first 3 steps together. Step 1. Clear your visual field. Look at the space around your screen right now. Is it cluttered? Are there papers, cups, cables? Visual noise creates mental noise. Pause this video if you need to. Clear a small space around your computer. Just a few inches of empty surface. Create a vacuum. When your eyes have a place to rest, your mind has a place to rest. This empty space is the foundation of your focus. Step 2. Choose silence. Your phone is fighting for your attention. For the next hour, let's win that fight. Find the Do Not Disturb button or the moon icon. Press it. Feel that? The expectation of interruption is gone. You have just built a wall around your attention. Inside this wall, you are safe. You are in control. This small act of silencing the world is an act of reclaiming your power. Step 3. Set an intention. Before you open a new tab or start a new task, pause for 3 seconds. Ask yourself, what is my purpose right now? Are you creating? Are you learning? Or are you just drifting? Digital Zen is about moving with purpose. When you define your intention, the algorithm cannot distract you. You move through the internet like a ship with a rudder, not a leaf in the wind. Clear space. Digital silence. Clear intention. These are the first steps. You have already started the journey. You don't need to figure it all out today. Just remember this feeling of calm. It is always available to you.